Smoked cream cheese is honestly becoming one of my favorite things to do on the smoker because it's so easy to do and it really is that good. So just take your cream cheese. I have two 8-ounce blocks here, and your favorite barbecue rub. This is the same rub I use on my spare ribs or my pulled pork. It's a sweeter rub, and just cover the cream cheese with the barbecue rub. I'm using a full fat cream cheese, but you could use the fat-free kind and serve it with vegetables if you want to go a little bit lighter. So just evenly distribute the barbecue rub, and then on a tray lined with foil, flip over the cream cheese so the side that's seasoned is facing down, and just continue seasoning the rest of the cream cheese with the barbecue rub. Make sure you completely cover the cream cheese with the rub. You could use this sweet rub, a smoky rub, or a more spicy barbecue rub, whichever you prefer. Make sure you get the sides as well. So once the cream cheese is completely coated, I have the smoker set to 225. I'm using 100% cherry wood today. Just put the cream cheese on there and let that go for an hour and a half to 2 hours. So after 2 hours, these are done and they are looking great. That rub is caramelized on there, golden brown, is ready to go. I like to serve this with chips, crackers, or pretzels, or use the fat-free cream cheese and serve it with vegetables. And that's it. Make this smoked cream cheese. I promise you will love it.